Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to enable and disable watch only mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So first, what is the watch only mode? Basically, this mode turns your smartwatches into a classic watch, which have only one function, and that's show time. Let me show you how to enable it. So, we need to wake up our watches and swipe up. After this, scroll down and click on this settings icon. After this, scroll down and find a tab which is named Battery and Device Care. Click on it and click on Battery. Right here, scroll down and click on this watch only mode. As it describes your watch, it says to get even more battery life, turn on watch only mode, which turns off everything except the watch face when you press the home key. So, simply click on this watch only button and turn on. And after this, the watch only mode is activated. To see time, double click on the screen and click on the home button. Now I will show you how to disable this mode, which requires a restart. So, to disable watch only mode, you would need to start charging your watches by connecting the charger to your watch, just like this. And after this, hold home button to restart the watches. And wait until they turns on. After your watch is turned on, that's all. Now you know how to enable and disable watch only mode on your Samsung Galaxy 6 watch. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.